Hello, welcome to JavaFX tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to use JavaFX, a rich internet architecture provided by Oracle. Using this JavaFX we can build applications for different platforms, both for standalone and internet browser, and we can have nice UI, nice GUI features using JavaFX. To start coding with JavaFX, we will use NetBeans. In NetBeans, by default, JavaFX plugin is added, but you can obviously use other IDEs like Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA. But I prefer using NetBeans. Let's start by first creating our simple project in JavaFX. Okay, we are choosing JavaFX application. Okay, JavaFX is starting. So JavaFX is very nice tool to develop nice applications. We can use JavaFX to develop nice UI, nice GUI instead of Java Swing. Let's name it first. Okay. So our first JavaFX application is ready to play with. Okay, the IDE has generated a default structure for us. So it's basically a simple, very simple JavaFX application provided by IDE. So you can start from here to develop nice applications. At the first tutorial we will just analyze this code, what is being done in this code. Okay. As it is first time, it's somewhat slow, but don't worry. As we go on creating more applications, you will see that in the next applications it's not that much slow. Okay, the application has started. See, it's a simple JavaFX application. As we see, it has a window with a title and it has a button. If we click the button, see in the console, hello world is printed. Click, 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 it's printed. It's printing hello world as I click the button. Let's analyze the code. What is being done to create this window? Say we are importing different packages. Application package is must for JavaFX. In the main thread, we will start JavaFX thread extending the application class. We'll see it, and we are importing JavaFX scene, JavaFX action event, event handler, JavaFX buttons, JavaFX stage. So at the first, in the main class, main method is the entry point of launching our application. In the main method, the launch method launches the JavaFX thread. After the launch method is executed, as soon as the main method founds the launch, it goes from main thread to JavaFX thread. So we are launching JavaFX application in JavaFX thread, not in main thread. So once the launch is called, it calls the start method it calls the start method. Okay, so once the start method is called, actually we are in JavaFX thread, not in the main thread. So once it has come in the start method, we have a stage. We have a stage ready to use. Stage may be, for example, if we consider with Java Swing, a stage may be called a JFrame or JDialog. Okay. So see what is happening here. We have a stage provided by the JavaFX start method. So we are creating button. We are setting the text of the button, and here we are setting the action of the button. That means if we click the button, system.out.println, it will print this text in the console. Okay. So now see what we are doing. We have button, but what will we do with this button? This is a node. Maybe this is called a node in JavaFX. So where will we add this node? So we are creating a root node here using a stack pane. We can also use group, but or stack pane or others. We are creating a root node. So see, in the root node, we are adding the children node button. Root.getChildren.add. It adds the button as the children of the root. So if we need to add more nodes, more maybe button, maybe text box, maybe others, we will just add those as children to the root. Okay. Now see, scene. We are creating a scene. Scene. If we run the object, you see the size. It's 300 by 250. If we make it larger, see, the size is also larger. So what is scene? You can compare scene with JPanel in Java Swing. So this scene is actually does the same function as JPanel does in Java Swing. So see, after creating the swing, that means scene will contain all the objects. It may contain from one to many objects. So once the scene is created, what we are going to do? See that we are adding our scene to the root. That means we are passing the root parameter to the scene object. What is it doing actually? That means our scene will now contain the root. That means all the children added to the root will also be in the scene. And primary stage is our stage. We are adding the scene to the primary stage. So as you said in JFrame, you may said JPanel in Java Swing. Similarly, we are adding the scene to the stage. We are setting the scene of this stage as our scene. And primary stage dot set title, if we change it, the title of the window will be changed. First JavaFX. This is the title here. This is the title of this stage. Okay. This is the text of the button. The button text is also changed now. Okay. And if we change this, you will find that different text is being printed in the console now. So this is our starting the JavaFX. We will be building nice applications throughout this tutorial series. Keep connected and keep watching. If you have any suggestion, you can tell in the comment box and I will try to provide according to your suggestion, provide tutorial according to your suggestion. Thanks for listening. Happy learning.